Hello, so in this video I will shortly introduce to you three projects to do it to get a big possibility to get hard in cybersecurity engineering. First, project 1 is build a SIEM lab. Building a beginner-friendly system lab involves creating a small virtual network to collect, analyze, and virtualize security logs. You start by defining your goal, whether to hear basic log flow or practice threat detection. So then choose. So the next step is exactly choose an all-in-one solution like Waza or Security Onion for simplicity, or a custom setup using the Elastic Stack for deeper learning. That's for deeper learning. For this, you need you need a virtual machines, and the laptop have a plus 16 gigabytes of RAM and plus 4 cores of processor and plus 200 gigabyte of hard disk space. So that's exactly what you need. Just this you need. After this, you need just a learning of use your learning of cybersecurity engineering and practice your learning of cybersecurity of years or of months. Like you study cybersecurity in 2 years or 3 years or 5 years, and after this you search to get hard. That's exactly what you need. So second project in very important. Second project. The second project is very important to build your build your portfolio, but not a simple portfolio. In 2026, we need a lot of new things, not before the odd years. So all of things that changed in 2026. So what exactly the changements in the portfolio in 2026? What you need exactly? So start by defining your focus area. That's exactly the first step. This first step is in all the cybersecurity students or all the cybersecurity specialists or all someone that studies cybersecurity can have a focus area. So you need to define in your focus area such offensive security, defensive operations, cloud security or governance. But don't forget, there are here an important thing to do it. There are an important point to make it professional. Is exactly here the idea here, and have a lot of secrets, but these secrets can be taken by anyone. So exactly create a clean personal brand with a website or GitHub profile that includes a view, resume, and contact information. So showcase hands-on projects like OM labs, CTF write-ups, vulnerability assessments that you do it previously, and treat hunting reports or security automation scripts clearly. What you need clearly. So documenting the goal, tools, steps, and result for it. So include educational achievements and certifications. In this point, you need just the new. Don't forget, you need the new achievements, the new educational achievements, the new certification you get it. So don't make just the old certification and the old educational system. You need to be updated. You need to be updated in the certifications, in the achievements in 2026. This is an important point. In 2026, this is an important point to have the new certifications in 2026 and the new achievements in the 2026 in general. So Finally, try your portfolio in a big area with others you use the CU tools in 2026. So the CU tools in 2026 is a lot of tools. So you can start with using the new features in LinkedIn in 2026. That's very simple. You can also use the CU tools like the websites of CU tools. You can use it in 2026. You can use the CEO of AI in 2026. That's a good idea to use it. The new features of the CEO of AI in 2026 is a perfect way to use it in this. So now we talk about the last project. So the last project is also has a big impact. Is build a simple firewall. Yes, in this you can build an effective simple firewall by installing a user-friendly open source appliance like pfSense or OpenSense. So in a VM or on a spare PC like a Raspberry Pi, then what you need exactly after this? So after this, you need to start the practice of building this firewall. So the first step in this is exactly configuring basic network zones and rules. So in this, you need to create, like an example, in a basic situation, you need to create a WAN internet topology and LAN internet topology interfaces. Enable NATs on your LAN. Add explicit firewall rules. So what is exactly the next steps of this? That deny all inbound traffic. By default, will allowing necessary outbound services like DNS, HTTP or HTTPS or SSH only if needed. So after all this, finally, what you need finally? So the final step here is exactly add a management account and enable login and monitoring of this account in this account, so you can see blocked and allowed connections. That's exactly finally you build a completed simple firewall to have it in the portfolio and have it as a project, as an important project in your life of as a cybersecurity specialist in any engagement in cybersecurity, in any category of cybersecurity you study and you practice it and you learn about it a lot of time, a lot of years. So it's exactly important thing. So that's all in this video. I hope all is clear. If you love this, like and subscribe and comment the video to send me your opinion about this. So see you later. I will see you in the next video.